The room was dimly lit, the air heavy with the scent of illness and neglect. Mrs. Powell, a 90-years-old, lay in bed, her frail body barely moving as she struggled to take each labored breath. Her family stood around her, tears streaming down their faces as they watched helplessly. The nursing care provider they had chosen had been a disaster from the start. The nurses were careless, the medication was always late, and the overall attitude was one of indifference. As Mrs. Powell whispered her final words, her family knew they had to make a change. With trembling hands, they dialed the number for Angels on Assignment Nursing Care. The phone rang and a professional staff member quickly answered on the other end. "Thank you for calling Angels on Assignment Nursing Care, the #1 nursing care provider in Jamaica." Relief flooded through the family as they explained the situation. The agent on the phone assured them that help was on the way, and within minutes, a team of angels arrived at the door. With gentle hands and compassionate hearts, they took over the care of Mrs. Powell, providing comfort and dignity. Within a month, Mrs. Powell was up and about as if she wasn't in need of nurses. The doctors asked how? She responded, "Angels on Assignment Nursing Care," she whispered. "The best there is. Don't wait until it's too late. Leave it up to the professionals. Angels on Assignment Nursing Care. Ministering angels ready to serve. Jamaica's #1 nursing care provider."